Think you've seen powerful chainsaws? Think again. These are the world's most extreme, dangerous, and fastest tree-cutting machines ever built, engineered to slice, shred, and obliterate anything in their path. From vintage legends to high-tech beasts, get ready to meet the monsters that make trees tremble. 8th OSM 270 Helgam. Now this right here, this is where brute strength meets surgical precision. The OSA 270 Helgam is a next-level felling machine that doesn't just cut trees, it dominates them. Forget axes, forget standard chainsaws. The Helgam brings a fully rotating hydraulic cutting head that can swing in a full 270-degree arc. That means precision from almost any angle, on uneven terrain, on slopes, through dense forest. One sweep of this monster and a full-grown tree is down. Clean, controlled, fast. But that's just the start. The saw disc spins at insane RPMs, slicing through thick hardwood like it's made of foam. And the dual grapple arms, they don't just catch trees, they clamp down with crushing force, stabilize the trunk, and then move it out of the way like it weighs nothing. This machine is a specialist in high-volume logging. It's built to take down trees and keep moving. No brakes, no slowdown. The hydraulics are optimized for nonstop action, the body reinforced for rough terrain, and the engine packs serious torque to handle the biggest loads without stalling. Operators swear by its reliability. Spectators are left speechless by its power. The forest? Well, it doesn't stand a chance. This isn't just another piece of logging equipment. This is a straight-up timber terminator, a masterclass in modern forest engineering. And when the OSA 270 Helgam fires up, it's not just cutting wood, it's rewriting the rules of logging. One massive tree at a time. 1974. Kenworth Big James. They don't make them like this anymore. Meet Big James, a 1974 Kenworth, turned chainsaw-toting legend in the logging world. This isn't just a truck, it's a piece of forestry folklore. Custom-built, heavily modified, and feared by trees everywhere, Big James is a chainsaw machine with more attitude than most modern rigs combined. Under that old-school body is a roaring diesel engine that's been tuned and retuned for raw torque, and mounted behind it, a fully integrated industrial cutting arm with a beastly circular saw attachment, ready to tear into trunks the size of telephone poles. It's loud, it's greasy, it's unapologetically old school, and it still works like a charm. The cutting system is powered by a dedicated hydraulic pump unit that gives the saw unbelievable control and strength. The operator cabin? Pure vintage vibes, but loaded with reinforced controls and gauges that keep this monster calibrated in the field. Big James wasn't built for luxury, it was built for battle. Logging crews who've worked with it swear it cuts faster than many modern units and way tougher. It's been through rain, snow, mud, ice, and it keeps coming back for more. 6. Cat 305 E2. Don't let the size fool you. The Cat 305 E2 is small, but it's packing a big-time bite. This compact excavator has been upgraded with a forestry-ready hydraulic saw attachment, turning it into a lean, mean tree-slicing machine. Built by Caterpillar, this model was designed with precision work in mind. It weighs in at just over 11,000 pounds, but it's incredibly agile. The real magic? The hydraulic system, smooth, responsive, and powerful enough to run a high-speed cutting head without missing a beat. With its 40.2 horsepower engine and advanced stick boom control, the 305 E2 delivers surgical accuracy. It's the perfect solution for urban tree removal, tight access jobs, or clearing work where precision is more important than brute force. But don't be fooled. When the upgraded saw is spinning, this machine can take down trees faster than some machines 3 times its size. It's not just about cutting. The Cat 305 E2 can grip, pivot, stack, and move materials like a pro. It's the ultimate multi-tool for forestry pros who need flexibility without sacrificing speed. This machine is quiet, fast, and deadly accurate. A modern marvel with claws. When you need a compact assassin in the field, the Cat 305 E2 steps up and shows out. Petzolato PTH 1400/1000 all road. This is not your everyday tree cutting machine. This is the Petzolato PTH 1400/1000 all road, and it's one of the most extreme wood chipping giants ever built. Designed for maximum output and zero nonsense, this beast is built to operate in the harshest environments, right where the action is, deep in the forest. At the heart of this machine is a drum chipper with a jaw-dropping capacity. It can process trunks up to 1,000 millimeters in diameter. That's more than 3 feet across, entire trees swallowed whole in seconds. And it's not just the size that's scary, It's the speed. The feed system pulls in material at an unbelievable rate, feeding that massive drum like it's starving for more. Mounted on an all-terrain truck, the all-road version isn't tied down to a single worksite. It's fully mobile, able to drive straight into remote logging zone, grind down whatever's in front of it, and move on like a hungry predator. No downtime, no mercy. This machine runs on up to 1,000 horsepower, giving it the muscle to stay in motion while chewing through even the hardest timber. Whether it's pine, oak, or anything in between, it doesn't discriminate. Fourth VM60SR. If you've never seen the VM60SR in action, prepare to be impressed. This isn't just a chainsaw head, it's a heavy-duty, hydraulically powered tree killer that mounts to an excavator and transforms it into a full-blown logging monster. Designed for high-efficiency felling, the VM60SR is made for serious forestry pros who don't have time to mess around. With a rugged all-steel frame and a high-performance saw motor, this head slices through thick hardwood like it's nothing. It's capable of taking on trunks over 60 centimeters wide with smooth, precise cuts. The hydraulic system provides constant, clean pressure, keeping the bar speed consistent even during long, heavy sessions. What really sets it apart is its control. The operator can line up exact cuts even on sloped or uneven ground, and the saw reacts instantly. No delay, no lag. Whether it's used in thinning operations or full-on clear cutting, the VM60SR brings brutal efficiency to every job. 3. Dipper Fox SC600. The Dipper Fox SC600 may not be the biggest machine on the list, but underestimate it at your own risk. This compact stump grinder is designed for mid-size excavators, and it delivers destruction far beyond its size. We're talking serious power packed into a sleek, low-vibration system that obliterates stumps and roots without breaking a sweat. This isn't a chainsaw. It doesn't rip or slice, it grinds, spinning its heavy-duty cutting disc at high speed to wear down even the most stubborn hardwood. And because there's no violent tearing involved, there's virtually no flying debris, which makes it perfect for both forest and urban use. It can reach below ground level, leaving nothing behind. No need for digging or hauling. Just position the head, drop it on the stump, and watch it turn years of growth into fine chips in seconds. And with low fuel usage and minimal maintenance, it's as efficient as it is effective. In the world of stump removal, Dipper Fox is the silent assassin. Second-generation harvester. The Hypro 755HB Harvester is the ultimate game-changer for small-scale and mid-size forestry operations. Don't let its tractor-mounted setup fool you. This machine brings the performance of a full-size processor in a much more flexible package. Mounted to the rear of a standard agricultural tractor, it gives the operator full control over cutting, delimbing, and bucking in a single streamlined process. The hydraulic feed rollers grip logs tightly and pull them through at controlled speeds, while the powerful saw bar slices logs to length with pinpoint accuracy. It's equipped with an onboard measuring system, so every cut is optimized for value. No guesswork, no waste, and it can handle trees up to 55 centimeters in diameter, making it more than capable for most logging jobs. Setup is quick, and it's surprisingly fuel efficient, allowing solo operators to harvest serious volumes without needing a full crew or large-scale harvester. It's perfect for thinning, storm cleanup, or selective cutting, where maneuverability and precision matter. The 755HB is proof that power doesn't always come in huge packages. This harvester is fast, efficient, and deadly accurate. 1. Ransom RSH40. Brace yourself. The Ransom RSH40 is here, and it's not here to play. This is a shear-style tree cutter that turns your excavator into a full-blown demolition tool. Built for high-pressure land clearing, the RSH40 brings brute strength to the field, and it doesn't care what's standing in its way. With a reinforced frame and jaws that close like a hydraulic guillotine, it's designed to bite through thick hardwood, brush, and overgrowth with ease. The blade system is compact but ferocious. It applies incredible force to the cut point, snapping trunks in two like dry twigs. You don't get finesse with the RSH40. What you get is raw, industrial destruction. It doesn't just cut, it shears, ripping through wood fibers with crushing pressure. Whether you're clearing a right-of-way, prepping land for construction, or just mowing down acres of forest, this machine handles it without blinking. It's built to last, with heavy-duty construction that shrugs off impact, dirt, and the kind of punishment most machines can't take. Easy to maintain, easy to control, and insanely satisfying to watch in action. Thanks for watching.